Now for that we will create the first application, the method 2. So I will create first of all the create first application method 2. Okay, so this is also the one way. I will navigate to the terminal window, and then I will change the directory to the create react application method 2 folder. So inside this particular folder, so I will write down one instruction, that is npm create white at latest. Okay, so npm create white at latest, it is a command. So once this command is executed, it will create the application, so we have to just wait. So one question will be asked, need to install the following packages. So I will press the Y and hit the enter button. So project name, if you want to give some project name, you can give, otherwise white dash project will be the default name, so I will keep it as it is. So which version of the, what do you want to use, means the question is that select the framework. So by using the navigation key I can select the React framework and hit the enter button. Select the variant, I will select the JavaScript, enter, and done, it is created. So you can see that it is a quick way to create the React application. Again, if I dir and white dash project, I have to navigate to the white dash project, and then there will be the package.json file, and now I can run the command. So I think this command is best suited, npm install, and then I have to use this command, npm run development server. Yes, it is working. So yes, the server is started and the location is like this. So it is the output of our code, and this is the output of our React application if it is developed using the white. Okay, so white plus React, if I click here, so count will be incremented by 1, and this, whenever we click on this particular logo, so it will give more details related with the white.js, and it is the official website of the ReactJS. So done, successfully we have created the project in the React using the white. Okay, so I think this is the quickest way to create the React application as compared to the create React app. White project is the quickest way to create the React application. Okay, so now in this video we will learn how to create the first React application. Okay, so in order to create the first React application using create React app. Okay, so for that I have to create the folder, open that folder, React videos, and within this folder I will create the first folder, that is create first application. So basically I have to navigate to the create first application. So for that, change directory, so basically I have to navigate to the create first application. For that I have to go to the change directory and the create first application. Now here I have to type the command np m install, then the create react app. So basically I am now installing the create react app first of all in my folder. So it will take some amount of the time. Yes, it is created. Now once it is created, then you can see that the three folders, files and folders are created. One is the package.json file is created. So package.json file contains the dependencies like create react app we have installed here. Then package-log.json is some advanced version of the package.json, and node module will contain the some of the basic packages which are required for our react application to work. Now here I will type the command npx create react app, and I will give the name to my react app as my app. Okay, so let's enter this and run this particular code. So this takes a greater amount of the time, so we have to just wait until this particular setup will be done. So yes, it is installed now. So obvious that it requires much amount of the time to be installed, so we have to be patient now. Now here the app, my app folder is created, so I have to enter into that particular folder. So change directory my app. Now I have to execute this command npm start, enter. So starting the development server. So it will start now the development server for our web page. So it is started at the port number 3000. Yes, it is started at the localhost the 300. So this is the corresponding output. Now in this particular output, we have to change the, this is the folder structure basically. So inside the folder I have the package.json file which contains the dependencies. Okay, Now package dash log.json, it is some advancement to the package.json file. Then the node module will contain the important packages required for our project to work, and this my app folder is important one. It contains again the node module. Then so we will learn the folder structure for our application. Now it is important my application. In that my application there is the node modules which contains the packages. Public will contain some of the public resources available for our project, and it is important one, that is the source folder. Now in the source folder we have to change the app.js. So basically app is a component. So inside this particular component, if you change something, for example after this learn react word, if I put the h1 tag, and within the h1 tag if I put the hello world, then it will recompile our project first of all, and then it will be rendered. So you can see that the hello world is there, means we can change the HTML content in our React application, as well as we can change the CSS also. So there is a app.css file, and if you change the speed of this rotation to the 2 seconds from the 20 seconds here in line number 12, so you can see that the speed will increase now. Yes, 2 seconds. Okay, from 20 seconds to the 2 seconds. Yes, the speed is increased now. Also I can change the background color also. If I change the background color to something dark, and if I save this particular file, so you can see that there is a change in the color also. So like this we can change, we can update the app.js file, we can update the app.css file to change our output. So this way we have learned how to install how to create the first application in a React. Npm install.